Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Melma Hamera. I'm 40 years old from Philippines. I'm a widow. I have 2 sons. My eldest son is 19 years old and my youngest son is 12 years old. I am trustworthy and hardworking and I'm willing to apply a Hong Kong because I'm only one to support my son because they have a school already and about the financial. I am ex-abroad from the mom Saudi Arabia and almost 2 years and 3 months. My duties and responsibilities of my employer before is all around babysitter. Once the baby is sleeping, I clean the house, I clean the toilet, I wash the car, and I cook. To my future employer, if you hired me, I do my best and I am a loyal and I am a trust hardworking. And I promise to finish my contract and extend my contract if you need me. Thank you, ma'am and sir.